Let's talk self-defense. You know what's not practical? Lugging around a massive weapon that screams, "I'm carrying a weapon!" It's like carrying a sign that says, "Please mug me." What you need is a sneaky gadget that's small, stealthy, and easy to use. Lucky for you, there are plenty of covert self-defense tools out there that'll help you out in a pinch or potentially even save your life. I've got a list of 10 stealthy self-defense gadgets you can't afford to miss out on. Trust me, you'll be glad to know about these little lifesavers. Number 10. Silverleaf Knife Pendant. We all know necklaces can be sentimental or just a fashion statement, but what if I told you that your necklace could also be a secret weapon? That's right, folks. This necklace isn't just a pretty pendant, it's a freaking knife! With this bad boy around your neck, you'll be ready to take on any troublesome situation that comes your way. And let me tell you, it's the perfect size. Not too big, not too small, just the right amount of deadly. Plus, it won't weigh you down, so you can keep that brisk pace while fleeing danger. The 48-inch stainless steel chain is long enough for you to strike from a safe distance, too. Cool fact. You can fold that knife in less than a second when you're not using it, so you won't accidentally stab yourself while trying to get dressed in the morning. Oh, and did I mention it's super fashionable? You'll be the talk of the town with this necklace-knife combo. Number 9. Hugo Self-Defense Keychain. When it comes to self-defense, you want something that's always with you. And what's always with you? Your keys, of course. But don't settle for a boring old keychain that can't even hold your life together. What you need is the Hugo Self-Defense Keychain. At first glance, it looks harmless, like something your grandma might crochet. But trust me, this thing packs a punch. Literally. You can hold it between your fingers and unleash a world of hurt on any attacker who dares to mess with you. The black body is built to last, so feel free to swing it around like a maniac. You'll be cracking bones and knocking out teeth in no time. And if you need a little extra oomph, use it as a wrist wrap and start punching like you're in a kung fu movie. But the best way to use this baby? Swing it at your attacker and make them regret ever messing with you. Number 8. Go Guarded Ring. Listen, I get it. Self-defense is serious business, and you don't have time to be fumbling around with gadgets when danger strikes. That's where the Go Guarded Ring comes in. This little beauty is always ready to go, so you can focus on getting yourself out of harm's way. It looks like a regular ring, but don't be fooled. The top of the ring hides a razor-sharp knife that can cut through anything. And I mean anything. Your attacker won't know what hit them when you unleash this bad boy. It's adjustable to fit any finger, so no excuses about it not being your size. Plus, it comes in various colors so you can match it to your outfit or mood. I mean, who said self-defense can't be fashionable? Number 7. Strike Pen. If you're forgetful like me, you probably carry a pen everywhere you go. But what if that pen could do more than just scribble down notes? Enter the Strike Pen, the ultimate stealthy self-defense gadget. This pen is so lightweight that you might forget you're carrying it. But don't be fooled by its unassuming appearance. With its tungsten steel glass breaker, you can shatter glass or even crack open a skull, if push comes to shove, of course. Plus, it's got a powerful LED flashlight that could blind an attacker in a pinch. But we're not finished yet. This pen also has a handy knife, a bottle opener, a hex wrench, and even a flathead screwdriver. Who knew a pen could be so helpful? Number 6. Sap Cap. If you're looking for a stealthy self-defense gadget you can easily carry around, look no further than the Sap Cap. At first glance, it looks like any ordinary cap you could wear on a sunny day. But this cap has a hidden surprise that makes it the perfect self-defense tool. Sewn into the very top of the cap is a layer of powerfully dense lead that can cause severe damage. If you're ever in a dangerous situation, you can simply take off the cap and use it to hit your attacker with a powerful blow to the head or anywhere else on their body. The lead is completely concealed, so no one knows you're carrying a weapon. Number 5. The SelfDefense Siren. Some people prefer not to hurt anyone, not even their attacker, with their self-defense gadgets. Sometimes it's best to run or make a scene to draw attention, and that's where the SelfDefense Siren comes in. A little device that packs a big punch in drawing attention. This gadget is recommended by the police, so you know it's legit. It's legal almost everywhere, so you won't get in trouble for using it. The best part? It's tiny. You can hook it onto your keychain or purse zipper and forget it's even there. But when you need it, just press the button in the middle and boom! A loud siren blares out, alerting everyone in the area that something's up. It's so loud it can even be heard by folks outside of the building you're in. And don't worry about it breaking. This baby is built to last, with military-grade durability that can handle any weather. Number 4. Zahal Hybrid Expandable Baton. Cops worldwide love using batons, and hey, who can blame them? They work like a charm. And the Zahal Hybrid is one baton that packs a punch. You can even slip it into your pocket when it's closed, like it's no big deal. But when it's open, oh boy, it's a 21-inch monster that can take down even the toughest foes. This baby is made from reinforced steel that's tougher than nails, which means it can take a beating and come out on top. Seriously, you could run a truck over it and it would still be in one piece. But it's not just tough, it's also versatile. Its length means you can keep a safe distance from your opponent while still getting in some solid hits. And let's be real here, those hits will pack a wallop. They can break bones and cause severe damage, but without being lethal. So if you're looking for extra security, the Zahal Hybrid is worth checking out. Number 3. Buddhist Mala Self-Defense Necklace. So, prayer beads have been around for ages and are great for when you need to take a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. But did you know they can also be used to kick some serious butt? That's right! The Mala Self-Defense Necklace is made from stainless steel beads that can break through glass walls and skulls. So if you're in the middle of a peaceful prayer and someone decides to rudely interrupt you, don't panic. Just whip out your trusty prayer beads and show that attacker who's boss. You can wear this necklace around your neck like a regular prayer bead, or hold it in your hand and channel your inner warrior monk. Either way, this necklace is the perfect accessory for anyone who wants a little divine intervention on their side when it comes to self-defense. Number 2. Monkey Fist. You know what they say, never judge a book by its cover. The same goes for the Monkey Fist. It may look like a harmless bundle of rope, but it's one of the most powerful and durable materials. This thing can cause some serious damage to an attacker, from smashing bones to leaving their face looking like a Picasso painting. And if you ever find yourself in a sticky situation, you can disassemble the rope and use it for climbing or tying up your attacker after successfully defending yourself. Talk about multi-purpose! Plus, its compact size means you can carry it wherever you go. Just make sure you don't actually swing it around and knock someone out. That could get awkward. Number 1. Taser Strike Light. If you thought a regular flashlight was a handy tool, wait until you hear about the Taser Strike Light. This thing is like a superhero gadget with a powerful stun gun that can turn any attacker into a quivering mess in just a few seconds. The flashlight part is no slouch either, with over 80 lumens of brightness that could blind a person faster than staring at the sun during an eclipse. And if that's not enough, it even has an arc warning feature that'll let intruders know they've messed with the wrong person. Also, it's made from materials so tough that you could probably knock someone out by smacking them over the head. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. Which gadget did you like the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, remember to hit like and subscribe with the notifications bell turned on so you can check out our future videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.